Hello everyone, just coming to you on our first video of our adventure around New South Wales, the beautiful Fairy Meadows. Where the hell is that? So for the locals they'll understand, but for everyone else around Australia, it's 2 suburbs north of the Wollongong city centre. It's directly about an hour to Sydney Airport, so fantastic location. The median price of the suburb in general is around about 800k, which I think is quite affordable for a suburb like that in a city that's in the top 10 populated cities around the country. So just wanted to give you a bit of real estate knowledge and what's been trending and how it's situated now. As you can see at the moment, plenty of parkland, plenty of trails, plenty of mountains behind us. It's a beautiful part of Australia. The beach is just to the right of me there. So it is a beachside suburb. So to have a median price around 800k, I think represents pretty good value. I'm not saying rush out and buy it tomorrow, but just to give you an understanding, Adamstown in Newcastle has a similar median price, and that's not a beachside suburb. So it's probably going to rent at around $500 per week, so about a 3.5% yield on average. The vacancy rates have always been under 2%, so it's a pretty consistent suburb in that sense. So I suppose what appeals to me here, and we just booked a caravan site because that's all we could find here a few days ago. What appeals to me have the mountains in the background and the beach to that side. It's what I call landlocked, so they can only build so much of it in the area, which always keeps the supply low. And people want to be in beachside suburbs, generally speaking, so the demand stays high in that sense, and that's what pushes prices up. So when you look at probably 10 years ago, you could buy something here for about 500k. Now the median, as I said, is about 800. So the growth has been consistent over time, and I could easily see this being $1 million suburb. The locals may know better in terms of the good and bad parts of the area. So a few magpies and crows around us, not too many fairies this morning, but this is video 1. Sorry I didn't get dressed up properly for it. I've got my 7-year-old on the video behind. He's doing a fantastic job, and looking forward to our next destination, which is the beautiful Kiama.